Hi there, Dr. Jeff Luke of Empowered Chiropractic. I want to take a little bit of time out of today to talk about why chiropractic adjustments don't last. Chiropractic adjustments are great, and there's lots of efficacy for them. However, I don't think it addresses the root cause. And what I mean by that is if a joint is out of position, and as a chiropractor, my goal is to reposition that joint, we are not taking into consideration the muscles that set that joint position and their association to each other. And then even greater than that, the nerves that influence those muscles firing. Those are all things that we specialize in assessing and treating when we find dysfunction in the spine at my office. And it's why we're able to, frankly, treat patients once they've already had about 4 or 5 chiropractors prior to me. And we have lasting results as we balance the muscles out. I'd love to share this technique with you. Give us a shout, come into the office. Thank you.